Moz, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came by way of Nissin, Singapore, and this is their cup noodles Korean Army stew flavor. Pretty cool. They sent this in celebration of their 52nd anniversary of cup noodles. I thought it was 25th, but I thought that was just specifically in Singapore, but it's the 52nd anniversary of cup noodles around the world. They came out in 1971. So, very cool. Look at these. Cup noodles from Singapore are full of stuff, even a wee sachet. So, let's add our liquid and boom. There we go. So just a minute ago, my poor sweet little daughter just hurt her knee again in a different spot. It's like, dude, fell and skinned her knee on the living room carpet. It just ain't safe anywhere, I swear. But got something, feeling better. Yeah, man, I remember getting my knees just all torn up riding bikes and running around, totally jacking up my knee. There was one summer, I think that was 1993 or 1994, maybe 1995. Yes, 1995. And we were like hanging out with all these fools, and everybody kept biffing it and like slamming their knees into stuff, just like ripping all the skin off of them. I dubbed it Kneecap Rebellion, and it was horrible. But man, she had a fall the other day when I was out walking with her, and she got her knee really good and got some road rash on her face, and then now she just got that. That's no fun. But she will be well. Jeez. But today is Sunday, the first day of October. As I mentioned on the last episode, where the Giants are having their last game with the Dodgers. Dodgers are going to postseason, even though they suck. And we're trying to deny them a 100-win season. Unfortunately, I think the last time I looked, it was 5-1 Dodgers, so we can pull it off. We'd better. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. There's always next year. Yeah. Nothing worse than when your little girl doesn't feel good. That's horrible. She's sitting on the couch with her leg up and her knee done up, so it'll get better. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, hey. Alright. Here's what we got. There's a lot of bits and pieces in here. A lot of, what do you call it? Egg. Here's our liquid addition. I wonder if it smells like hot dogs. A lot of the Korean Army stew varieties have an oil. Yep, kinda. The oil smells like hot dogs a lot of the time. That is very oily. There's a lot going on in here. Yeah, usually K-Army stew will have stuff like sausage and macaroni bits and things like that. Mmm. Yeah. What have we here? A little egg. Egg. A little bit. Nope. Little heat to it too. Little chewy bits. There's our broth. That's pretty good. I'll have to be honest, the Singaporean cup noodles are usually quite good. There's a lot going on in them. And this is an interesting one because it's a Singaporean variety with a Korean kind of thing going on. So I don't know that I've seen that before. I don't have much of the trappings that you would find in a K-Army stew currently, but I do have some trapping thingies. A little bit of beef. I need more beef than I needed. We'll add some. The last of the eggs. I've used them all. Hurrah! Some egg. Egg. And some. Oh, it's way deep in there. Get it out. Going to add some kimchi. Somebody posted something about purists getting mad about kimchi being added to instant noodles. I don't know what this guy was talking about. He was of the tribe that seems like there's a certain tribe of people that the only thing they think is worthwhile is shin. And that's fine. People have their favorites. That one actually is a very popular variety, but God, who would have a problem with putting kimchi in shin? I don't understand. The thing people I see more likely having trouble with is eggs in instant noodles. Egg and ramen, that's gross. It's like, really? Like Westerners, I don't know. I know, I'm a Westerner. Well, how can you say that? You're a Westerner. I'm like, yeah, but I mean, there's things people do that I disagree with. A little spring onion there. Little crushed red pepper. And a little sesame seed. And I think that rounds out. I'm tempted to put some cheese in there, but I really don't have room. This did pretty good. And it is pretty good. Come on. And there we go. Let's have a different tune. That's it for me today. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thanks to the folks in Singapore for sending me the Nissin cup noodles. And yeah, catch you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.